We're live for another episode. Obviously, World Cup Iqalile, gents. 2026. Good things are happening, gents. I'm sure you'd agree. With a few games that played, and it was more exciting to watch the guys play. And I mean, it's a big spotlight to play with FIFA World Cup. Everyone's dream. Like, you cannot just go to FIFA World Cup without being spotted based on what you play. So I have these two guys here. We're going to talk about the game of Bafana Bafana and the Czech Republic, which played on Thursday. Yeah, hey, it wasn't an easy game. I think I'll start this side with Lumi, since only Mike. Lumi, take us through the match, man. How the game started, the first 11. Was it something that you were looking forward to seeing on the pitch, the players that are there?
Sure, put. Yeah, on Bullies, it was actually quite a nice game on Thursday. One thing I also enjoyed is that, and I liked, is that everyone in Mzansi was like, they were really behind Amachita, which is so nice. And Nabandu came out in numbers from, you could see videos from different players by Bugeli game. So back to the game. Okay, change ile mindset yakhe towards the game. We were more attacking, approach yakhe, and you could see good to win in terms of individuals asifakele game in position. The formation ebeyidlalile back to la 4-3-3 esiyaziyo thina with the players, you understand? So his personnel was changed, the approach yakhe was changed, and he wanted to win in the game.
Yeah, hey, you talked about changes, a lot of change been happening. Chintwe players, Chintwe formation, now we all attack. Who was the player that stood out for you at the start of the game, man? Who you saw good, okay, you know what, we could have this player on the team?
To be honest, at the start of the game, we were struggling a bit, because I noticed a difference when we played second half, when we introduced Umufu Gang. That is where Gengokubesikwazi udlala interchanges in terms of our policy, akwazi udlala all round because ebe free for routine uyodlala ibhola. So I feel like coach Wethu should continue or focus rather on udlala la machita, and then sizokwazi ke ngokuthini uphuma ngalamchita ebe dlala ewingo. Yabo umaseko yambona naye besiza, so xa sikwazi ke ngokudlala ngalamajita ayi-2 at least sizokwazi ubani combination play. That's where we got a penalty. So I feel like amajita adlalile, you could see hunger. It's too bad asizobana umulanduza umukwena kulena igame ilandelayo, but hopefully amajita anyusikaos angayeki akhiphe le momentum.
Yeah, talk about Umukwena. Hey, that's a very touching topic, Joe. Umukwena is out,
our best player,
and coach here to talk about I think 4 midfielders.
Sure.
So we have 2 out, and we still have 2 guys that are ready to play. So from your side, who do you think would be able to replace Umukwena for that game?
Okay, that's a huge loss, but number one, Umukwena, because he's the heart of the team. So but I think Uyaya against Itole, so that's another option basically. So you have 3 options: Uyaya, Guguchaden, or Gumbata basically. Back to Lelanduzane. But I would it's a okay. We have to win like game. We can make Kabela understand, and go. Let's not keep easy. It tools it. Mas Spanish say can't say it. You understand? Because of at the end of the day, we need a win pack like game, regardless by team. So I would advise my view is I think I say approach yake even more attacking in terms of Sila Lorile as a 10, and we have Uchaiden, and then we have Nombata. That would be my 3 midfielders.
Hey, we are just still. Do you think he still needs to start this game?
I mean, like you talk, we believe in Uyaya, hence he's there. I understand, and he deserves to be corner. Coach Boni level. So as far as it dispute he could definitely add value. But I would say let's continue from the change that played the previous game. The second half was very crucial to us. I would like to for the second half. It's been a continuation. Because Bana. The second half, it brought us, it came in on. You could see that service understand. So that's what be my opinion. The second half, just add Uchaiden, no Nombata, and no Rele as a 10.
Yeah, Lele, they say, Umkoma Pambi, if no Kale back, no Kalu Jonga, you first analyze what happened in the previous game to go to the next game. So, what are your views, what are your thoughts for the next game coming up with the South Korea and China? So do you think you stand a chance to at least swat challenge and China and get a win?
I mean, Ebola is very anything is possible. You can't predict it, Diski.
Sure.
Ewe amajita ona on paper ayasibetha, but at the end of the day igame ufuna uyigqibe ebaleni uyanthola for man. So amajita they need to believe. Njengathi nathi sibeliever kuba ewe siyayazi on paper we don't stand a chance against amajita because they have more experience than Tina. But ke ngoku if baya fighter, they need to fight for South Africa, especially for Mokoena. Yabo, because Mokoena is our best player and ke ngoku we need to fight to see saqabela ngo 2010 udlala World Cup. So it's going to be it's going to take a miracle and hard work for Basitini Siegi qualifiers, and I do believe Amachita can do it. Epic is solid, is grand. Yes, we make mistakes, but I think instead of Abasi Dale Ike Ibola, I feel like we should play Ilandu's direct football first, just to see Amachita to try mistakes is up, because we saw the last 2 games we conceded within the next within 10 minutes. Yeah, so Ngoku, to avoid the way from happening again, we need to play and then at least we play counter. Then now we're confident to play La Machida. Then we can start playing. Tire them out. Then we play the football. Machida can play.
Very good input from you, my guy, Ndumi. Jabulela now in faith. Amachita chetile mana igqibile isame up. Kuba sidlale njani previous game and going forward to the next game. So I think now we need to support Bafana. I can't do it. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, man. I think we're looking forward to the next game now.
Yeah, we believe Machita, man.